All right, today we are going to learn a legit superpower. Seriously, it's this awesome trick for getting a handle on your feelings when they feel, way too big to manage. And the best part? It's super simple. It's called T.I.P.
So let's just get right into it. You ever have one of those moments, where you get so angry or so sad or so worried that it feels like the emotion is totally driving the bus and you're just stuck in the back seat with no control? Yeah, we've all been there. It happens to everyone, so it's 100% normal.
Right. So let's talk about those moments. When feelings just get big. Okay, picture this. You're walking out of a movie you absolutely loved, and you're buzzing, right? But then your friend just goes, "Ugh, that was so dumb. I hated it." And bam, all of a sudden, your chest feels tight, your face gets all hot, and you just want to yell. How did a tiny little comment just cause this huge emotional explosion? Well, to figure that out, we've got to look inside. We need to talk about your body's built-in alarm system. It's a super important part of how you work. So think of your body as having two main settings, kind of like a video game character. You've got alarm mode, or fight or flight. That's when your body is revved up and ready for action. Your heart's racing, you're breathing fast, the whole deal. Then you've got chill mode. That's when your body can just rest and slow down. Now guess what those big, intense feelings do? Yep, they smash that alarm mode button. And here's the catch. When that alarm is blaring, your thinking brain, it pretty much goes offline. It's like you can't really solve problems or make good choices when your body is screaming, "Danger! Danger!" So the goal here isn't to just turn our feelings off. Nope. We just want to turn the volume down on that alarm so we can think again. So, how do we do that? How do we turn the volume down? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's time to introduce your new cool-down tool, and it's called T.I.P.
Yep, T.I.P. Think of this as your secret weapon for when those emotions get huge. It's not just one thing, it's a whole set of skills. Each letter stands for a different tool. T for temperature, I for intense exercise, and P for paced breathing.
Now, what's so cool about T.I.P skills is how they work. They actually change your body's chemistry. So instead of trying to think your way out of a big feeling, you're doing something physical. You're basically sending a direct message to your body's alarm system that says, "Hey, it's cool, we're safe. You can switch to chill mode now."
Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually use these skills? Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds.
First up, let's talk about the T. T is for temperature. This one is all about using the power of cold to calm you down. And trust me, it works ridiculously fast. The science behind this is actually really cool. It's called the dive reflex. So get this, when mammals, that includes us humans, put their faces in cold water, our bodies automatically slow our heart rate way down to save oxygen. It's a total survival instinct. And we can kind of hack that reflex to tell our own racing heart to chill out.
So here's exactly what you do. Step 1, grab something cold. A bowl of cold water, an ice pack, even a cold can from the fridge works. Step 2, lean forward a bit. Step 3, hold your breath. And Step 4, put that cold thing right on your face, especially on your cheeks and under your eyes for about 30 seconds. That's it. That's the signal that hits your body's chill button.
All right, next up in our toolkit is I for intense exercise. You know that feeling when you have so much angry or worried energy inside you that you feel like you might just explode? Well, sometimes the best thing to do is just burn it all off. And we're talking about getting your heart rate up on purpose. You could sprint up and down the stairs, do a bunch of jumping jacks, have a crazy dance party in your room to your favorite song, shoot some hoops, ride your bike super fast, whatever gets you moving. The key, though, is to really go for it for about 20 minutes. That seems to be the sweet spot for your body to use up all that alarm energy and finally switch over to a calmer state. And last but not least, we have P for paced breathing. Now this is the super sneaky tool. You can use this one absolutely anywhere, at any time, and nobody even has to know you're doing it. You are literally taking direct control of your body's alarm system with just your breath. Okay, so here's the secret sauce for paced breathing. Get this, breathing in actually speeds your heart up just a little bit, but breathing out, that's what slows it down. So the whole trick to calming down is to make your breath out longer than your breath in. That's the signal. That's what tells your nervous system, okay, time to chill. You know what? Let's try one right now. Come on, do it with me. Get ready and breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth for a longer count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? Just doing a few rounds of that can make a huge, huge difference. So that's the whole toolkit: temperature, intense exercise, and paced breathing. Now, just like learning a new move in a video game or a new song on an instrument, these skills get way easier and work even better the more you practice them.
But here's something super important to remember. Tip skills are not magic spells to make your feelings just go away. Your feelings are valid. They're important. These skills are just there to help you turn down the volume for a minute. That's it. It just gives your thinking brain a chance to get back online, so you can actually figure out what to do next instead of just reacting and, maybe making the whole situation worse.
And that's T.I.P. You now have this powerful new toolkit, a superpower for real, to help you handle those really big emotions. So here's my question for you. The next time you feel that internal alarms start to go off, which one of these skills are you going to try first? Thanks for hanging out with me.